Alrighty, jam box breaks here. It is 11:08 a.m. Eastern Time, 8:31, August the 31st. We're doing Topps Archives Baseball one box break. List of teams here, guys. Let's bring them up. Oh, that's box 3. So box 2, we got Lance, Kevin, Randall, Bradley, Lance, Kevin, Bradley, Randall, Scott, Steve, Bradley, Luke, Scott, Mark, Randall, Kevin, Scott, Mark, Scott, Steve, Mark, Bradley, Luke, Scott, Randall, Bradley, Scott, Scott, Randall, and Scott. Let's randomly get your teams. Alright, anything higher than 4 in a dice roller, 4 lower, do a re-roll as always. David, these ones are sold out, bud. But I'm going to be posting them all weekend long. I just got to get a chance to sit here and actually catch up with it because they sell out in 2 seconds. All right, 10 times. Good luck, guys. 10 times. 1, 2. Of course, random's taking forever again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, starting off with Bradley with the D-backs, and ending with Scott with the Nationals. Brother's favorite man crush team, Trey Turner. Oops, sorry, no one. All right, so here's the teams, guys. We got Bradley with the D-backs, Braves go to Lance, Scott with the Orioles, Scott with the Red Sox, Mark with the White Sox, Cubs go to Mark, Randall with the Reds, Indians go to Lance, Randall with the Rockies, Tigers go to Mark, Luke with the Astros, Royals go to Randall, Scott with the Angels, Dodgers go to Bradley, Marlins go to Bradley, Brewers go to Steve, Scott with the Twins, Mets go to Bradley, Kevin with the Yankees, Oakland goes to Randall, Scott with the Phillies, Pirates go to Luke, Randall with the Padres, Giants go to Kevin, Bradley with the Mariners, Cardinals go to Scott, Kevin with the Rays, Rangers go to Scott, Steve with the Blue Jays, and Nationals go to Scott. Come on, screen. All right, one boxer. Good luck, guys. Huge potential for a little bit of money. All right, we got the newest Hall of Famer's father, Ken Griffey Sr., 8 of 26. 8 of 26 on a 1978 Topps buyback auto. Who had G? Or not G, sorry. Who had the Reds? That's going to go to Randall, so congrats, Randall. You get the Ken Griffey Sr. All right, so let's go into Randall. All right, on to box number 3. Thanks, guys.